Do you want to be a safe driver? If you do, you should use turn signals. If you want to turn left, push down on the lever to the left of your steering wheel in order to show those around you what you want to do. Another example of when to use turn signals is at the store. Simply raise the arm in which direction you wish to go. Especially if you are driving a moped, you can use your arm as a turn signal or the turn signal on the bike itself. You can even help horses show turn signals, given they have no ability to do this themselves. Use turn signals für deine Sicherheit, because they could be the difference between life and death. Turn signals save your life.